3號強風信號現正生效，預料本港平均風速每小時41至62公里。喺凌晨2點，熱帶風暴馬力斯集結喺香港之西南偏西大約280公里，即係喺北緯21.6度、東經111.6度附近。預料向東北偏北移動，時速約15公里，移入廣東內陸。馬力斯已經喺廣東省陽江市登陸。按照現時預測路徑，馬力斯會移入內陸地區，其南側嘅廣闊強雨帶今日會逐漸影響珠江口一帶。該區有大驟雨及強風，高地間中吹烈風。預料3號強風信號會至少維持至早上6點，除非馬力斯採取較為接近本港嘅路徑，否則改發更高熱帶氣旋警告信號嘅機會甚低。海面會有大浪及湧浪，市民請遠離岸邊及停止所有水上活動。
The strong wind signal, number 3, is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 41 to 62 km per hour are expected. At 2 a.m., tropical storm Ma-like-C was estimated to be about 280 km west-southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 21.6 degrees north, 111.6 degrees east, and is forecast to move north-northeast at about 15 km per hour into inland Guangdong. Ma-like-C has made landfall over Yangjiang City in Guangdong. According to the present forecast track, Ma-like-C will move into inland areas. The extensive intense rain bands to its south will gradually affect the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary today. There will be heavy showers and strong winds over the region. Winds on high ground will be occasionally gale. It is expected that the strong wind signal, number 3, will remain in force at least until 6 a.m. Unless Ma-like-C adopts a track closer to Hong Kong, the chance of issuing higher tropical cyclone warning signals will be rather low. Seas will be rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports.